What are you doing?
I'm trying to make a trade with my Roth IRA.
Roth IRA? What's that, like a new gaming app?
No, it's an investment account where I can put some of my money for tax-free growth.
Where do you get your money?
Well, I'm too young for a typical job, so instead I run my own business.
That sounds like way too much effort. I'll stick to collecting my allowance from the bank of mom and dad.
When I earn my money, some goes back to fund my business, but most goes into my Roth IRA. I'm leveraging the power of compound interest.
Compound what? I'm compounding my collection of cute earrings. My money goes to Starbucks and my new makeup kits.
I'm investing now to get a jump on being financially independent as soon as possible.
Financially independent? You mean rich? I'm gonna be rich way faster as soon as I figure out the lighting for my next makeup tutorial.
How about you sign up for one of the Kids Biz Hub classes, so when your video does go viral, you know what to do with the money and how to grow your business.
Maybe. That sounds kind of interesting.
Oh, my chair just went through.